Malungil sil sa piyang kuka kung makitayang tunti kadangal tangat talguk plame kaldi bertial show kita na DOTAUT to Ureor doing business in Palau mangal tangat talang kal okya kada kita el anga to gubet sil kada el ave mal dire kal atra business matu arungul atra Ureor makti oltur ke iwi talber sa Rabibilia el girel emerkong el open raula la pia.
All right.
So welcome everybody who are with us today. Tiagi the Bible verse for Belechel. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction. Tiang at the tigaringira Proverbs 1 verse 7. Dio aisulwa se sel luelela arogul tokol boto totengay sel ngia omelura Dios. Omelua ba tokor belal self mal tokubet solo mungul kirela a Dios. Adal tirira ungil tokor alom semal uben tokor osisakla tirgel tuto aseng diaklo tengi a full sa belgula aseng diakal soril mom tengi ungil maral tokoy. Makamal masawlo bang kamamal el alsil it's a nice verse. Mel ang kuka tiya take over el open ra platform rakit.
Madang malungin sila ko raw Belechel jako mal atel klem Belechel gal lumre kal Belechel nge tara mal entrepreneur mal dimlengil
Belechel adang adil.
Dire kal adal
chocolate
pala. Oy.
Kaman masal ko sa man may potemem na dosit tal DOTAUT nakam aywin ako agi griller ka agi barbecue ka agi toaster ka
Hindi lang sate gitu.
Nakaman masawray ka limalam ay kaya po to ay sangklen.
Lagi yung kura wawlan maska mo kamo otaw mergit
Kamram sulang al invite na kal mertegi del talk show kami malungin tasil semua pia ka Irene. So as you know ang kla Belechel Wilhelm nga kanilaatre dagi talong ng esar Wilhelm saburo ng esar.
Malood na kal dire ak anti.
Lumako ba na green na siya
Well, kung Clinton sa 100%
All the eyes.
the eyes yakalo raw do
Let's go with that. So, I can moment singing ngarate al tam maliw. I got the baby sample ra shawarma I would say we're known for. It's el moment talim me pian ngar madam at agit lomodong was Thai iced coffee.
Nice.
Oh yes
Yeah, engal ngara front del bakara del moment singing ang kay ngel Rosel lemonade.
Oh, for toy. Rosel lemonade.
Yeah, Rosel. So we call it Rosel and tara ba ngel hibiscus which is in hibiscus.
Oh, wow.
At yeah, to kay the benefits ngi the red color itself it adds more iron to your blood counts. Direk lungira healthy ngami.
Hibiscus ang busong eh. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Etalim le Irene at ya sel mintonade.
Minton my favorite shawarma corner.
So talungak mintonade I took a lot of time lam tas sing raw ngak le lenda sel lucy sel mint lemonade tahmal mo kamang talungak. Nga kami lim na ka torade si del time gum tas rankle le kapus. Ngam na kal spero ka mintonade.
Wow, malungil.
Malungil ngak, let's go with that. So yung kal limela kalbang lagi yung kangel basil lemonade.
Oh.
Basil. So kaya del mint ma kaya del rosel ma kaya del basil. Agi mo makaroon ng rasers. Suplarin ma shawarma. So we have endless amount that will provide a shawarma. At the same time, it got popular and it's really good for your body, for health wise.
Melang kamo o ay sa akawya introduce ta shawarma.
Shawarma corner. Oh.
Shawarma corner. Narabil ko na shawarma.
So tell shawarma tiamrani atya tokora Arabic. So shawarma literally means meat.
Oh. Kal.
So si balul tegi del toil shawarma. And the sel lamda string kal tel shawarma wrap.
Oh.
So wara blawang lum gila yasay. Emra ko ng gilaso seringi ang obail.
I see.
Dil sugo break it down. Tal shawarma arura pita bread, which is we make our own pita bread, and then ang
nice.
anya yasar alsel, which is in cabbage, some pickles, onions, and then your choice of meat, either chicken or beef. Yung chicken na kama marinated 24 hours prior and more tagi the shawarma grill. Esa naman messing yung
slow cook?
Slow cook na outside rin.
Sige.
Kama makora di mal slicing il. Malupto sa gidal ko ramar, sila mot ilang kagidal shawarma wrap.
Mukhang ko marinated, take it and meat. Start the grill.
So gi marinate ring 24 hours, sil gi bam staka ring and go layers by layers. So meat, skin. Then suman di meat, sil the grill ring ang meredal dry.
I see.
So spare sa gidal skin sil ko cooking toda like kagidal ko oil. El kaberingi caramelizer tal meat.
Baka ako nang alkal mle mo karo tel balur bela. Tell gi mer all time.
Wow. 28 a year.
Ooh, and how long have you been, when did you open shawarma corner?
Shawarma, so back in August 2016.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's been going on for 6 years.
Yes.
Very good.
6 years.
Malungin. Kamla school again.
So na school at the start mouse mora miuns mora school miuns elementary school mo third grade the third grade nga ako transfer ma school ng SR.
Oh, okay.
El lomel mil graduate ng SR el so isa mara a PHS Palau
High School. Okay.
El rogi.
Ilang ganda na matira ka ng nurse.
Oy, mle nurse ra Belechel National Hospital.
Yes.
Baka malbuig ang isa.
Kaya lang, I say.
Kumil ka lang kung alam mo susuman involve a business, hindi kumil ka na, maragil kami helper ka mo businessman.
Hal di pok platak lang dito ko raw
I say.
Although our route is so gila mo creative. So tell idea maraming sa travel lobong gala a partner nga. We tried different food. Eknobti ng kaya shawarma and I was like impressed. And first time nga mga maringi ako kamalungil asin ngi. At the same time ako kamal healthy fresh.
Healthy.
And al partner nga ko lais nga algila shawarma lang direct ng lokro Saudi Arabia or no, Tengel Balu. Somewhere close there.
Yeah,
and they're
Middle
known
East,
for shawarma. Yeah, Middle East. And then he told me about it. And like traveling sa mga Philippines or Thailand. Every country apply po niya ang aniya shawarma.
I see.
Yeah, so different taste, a different experience. So ang aniya sa high school itak mo kasi if you go outside, ablo belaw, imbes sa ngil da sa idea, mga merbelaw.
Mal diungil. Matiyaya first. Shawarma belaw.
Tell shawarma since 2016 is you're the face behind this shawarma?
Oy.
Apparently,
Kaya owner. Mukha mo ay sa location, masumal akal nga tiyal DOTAUT. Show, tikalo ng level.
So, tell shawarma corner, ang rayray, neighbor, KB Shell, tal gas station rayray, imal di next door.
Oy.
In the same building?
In the same building.
Okay.
And amo, sige na, first location ako, mami, di mo ko location ako normal.
Oy. Mula mo ginang piyal kuk mo nga, selva kay ibi ko kuk mo ormi ata.
Mula yung gagawin kuk, gali, yung asa Thailand, no friend na nga. Marukang kuk, gagawin apart.
Hindi, ang gadi, help nga ka Ureor.
Kaya un man dire man sa Ma'am Ome, laka kungil role model, laka example ra ka at 28 years old. Sir starter tiang ka dire kamle 22.
Yeah.
Start ra shawarma ko.
So hindi
shawarma corner.
Para government
Hindi
hotel or private.
Team na private. Ako Ureor Ace Hardware. Sila nila first Ureor, first job ever. Eu transfer mo Ureor Palau Art Gallery.
I see.
As a sales associate, tangtawa, gagawin tilukay, trawa, what jewelries and stuff, paintings,
handicrafts, arts and crafts.
Meron atel, kung ngilay ka mo si Pierre Merke.
Kaya tayo dito ko rin traveling siya nga,
Okay.
especially to the States. Milangar, Michael Calder say, so kal Malmer Belawe, experiment rin mestria others sing kuwangarang. Le sabi before yung documentary just issue menu are
I say, healthy options.
So kal give something else, different
Unique,
taste, unique.
yes, and special.
So when you say shawarma, ang meat, different kind of meats ang say.
So maraming hindi tool meat I give focus on, hindi tal chicken, ma beef.
Why semtia kita menu lang ilun may. So ako rati oti mang wala camera lang. Nga kamal so kay kita combo. Lang blow oil sera lakot open sel pong yung sabi ko di mesa combo kasi and so ka combo number 1, number 2 or lang ngobang kelang we ato tungon raul mo odoy ma.
Lapang gilay malil.
Ay malil. Malung.
Ital maral.
Yeah. It's great also kung you're on the road, you're traveling in Marababaldao, alubok Marababaldao, may Ureor or kang artiang yakura so ma fast lunch. Mal di mo ngwa akambo kamla ngwa lunch.
Siya simple menu yung nga vegetarian di menu ni.
So vegetarian food nga menu ka ma'am. Hindi siya menu hindi take out ingel meat.
Why say?
Di mal di mo yura okay give all suggestions in so hummus. El add and then we'll exchange the meat for the hummus.
Elatrial other bela gupta kalo dangali hummus. Ebale la hummus ang beans.
Close. Hummus arura garbanzo.
Garbanzo beans. High in protein.
Yeah,
legumes. It's very high in protein, mal healthy.
So kita kalau trying hummus, ital hummus
deep.
Oh yeah.
Deep, okay.
Yeah, deep butter. So yung blog la pita bread, ako sprengal pita bread ako omar ngi it's good option in martigil vegetarians mar vegans. Martigil ano ka di sorry lo ka di try something else or something new.
I say mal healthy.
Malungin lang. Ang ginadagok mo ano naman siya tiyang, hindi ka siya on your way to the airport, Marababaldao, Maramor, Super Center. Patu ka shawarma yung malungin na option sa kuduk something light Iyaw ay sige ako to para light
actually mal clotial wrap makakoli mo madingas lang.
Wow.
So di makasama menu nga ma'am, hindi kayo do sisil menu nga ma'am, give them focus ring ever since game open. And also mal really too much like around too much lang mo bring our opkal malilit.
Take it mal gilsa ka
mal practical.
Malbetter nga kami litring.
Mal practical naman I love the combos.
Thank you so much.
May lang since 6 years mo rurat yang ako sa igel yasay mga ra kom kukulumo low sers di re ka mang helpe. La ko mala yasay kami rasers.
Why say?
Mga ra yasay ako ko mo lalo martial sers. Kung di na kalmal sisil at rasers.
Yeah, most of the time I spend rasers. Akpay ko ngil di nga rasers. Rasers talsils. So tagal sers amital sers Maria yung mo lawa pekutin la yasay. Sindel herbs focus ngi wa mint, ma basil, ma cilantro or culantro. Ma agay salad. Wa arugulas and mizuna and mustard greens.
I love arugula. Ay gel bebele pian di ako tingel wasen sa bel tu barbelaw. Alo betir ka moret sa. La mo sabil wala ma cilantro ma. Mint ma basil.
Ang ngi ba baby ratay mga ngi. Duba makasong. Kasi mo kal hindi ka datangi. Betul.
Ali ko man mawid ko kuma. Dagi dali ma.
Maudala.
Ay ko di grow wild after ato ka tumatibya area hindu. Betul ko niya have medicinal values. Hindi na kamlo. Ang isa malakatu,
ukal lela adib.
So elgal.
Ay kalamati.
Malungin.
Lubang momentone ida.
Malungin.
Mang ela ka kawasa ka dito love high school, nanti ka ka TLM mura askura aroida.
No.
No, di na graduate high school start Ureor.
Why say?
Yung learning options are also bakal mo PCC malubeng, outside of further education. But I felt like, it's better to start early, Ureor. Get your bearings, experience, or street smarts in other words.
Malmarang. Ula kuker, toka other bella pia, but toka ng altogether all time ngarba pa schoolir. Emang malungil, ding maral kira ngaringi segi del direct toko Ureor, al selarong utum. Yeah, most entrepreneurs in the world, Belechel, tira mal successful, amle drop out, college, including Bill Gates. Many, let drop out at them find the wase. I'm using my time and energy as well, create, innovate. Makmal matal ka wase ka, kukuk mle choose wase. Ako Ureor, me create something else.
So, go satisfied with what you're doing now? Or
Yeah. I'm satisfied. I'm very satisfied. Because shawarma, behind it, in hobby, I love cooking. Sa kanabla, ako di ko pagdating na yori or ako experiment. So, sa ako start low shawarma, kana shawarma low yori. Of course, I can enjoy rula kalyar conversate, tirar
sige naman, dire close to tell ingredients to be a business person or businessman. So you're doing something that you enjoy doing, talking to people, and making money at the same time.
Yeah, something you love. Elang ka, tira ko recently ko ay sa nga kalakol kuk mo malakali ka segura sig. Kuk mara what's something new. Elang ko ngil mara elatya, mong koram na maswal kuk ko sa kahalik trial, enhance my landscaping work. Nang malungil imar na talo Ima partner niya, malgira ko visit at sales.
visit.
Sira kreng so seng sabi eldu strawberry ring il shares. Lo so akal mo mesa. Makam ko ako ka share a little bit try kay gidel baby passion or karo there.
So aside shawarma, aside amrula kaleng. Trekal samaryar malal madalom, tikira dalom la. Hindi actual focus ay gel dalom sildom dasun datsabil duber Palau.
Okay.
So most of the time I spend the focus again the lomle sem makado makro le makado take care. How do we get the results ragal fruits or vegetables at the highest quality possible?
Maalungin.
Come the experiment.
Lalta in half will experiment, half will produce gagid wa herbs mga salad.
At taluto mo mga nginginat pel.
No, taluto may Maria makitat pel.
Tiang rangat mau. Mga masin the backside.
Takto sing makita utar mga tmao, hindi tal basol ngariya.
So it's a challenge, eh?
It was a challenge. Tal basol gi ngariya, tiam ni tam site rada dayu. So hindi mo masin dalwa taking ma cement, tatas mo lang kal do bringing. So it took us 2 to 3 years just to mend the taluto mo.
Rulitel utumil ko mo hile mo ngi.
Man sabela dalom do bringing.
Tiale Venus farm.
Tam na help para kami advice kami how to treat this soil and ulil mo ngi.
Malungil care.
Kung na internet kung agriculture kung na TTM.
Yeah, good.
No, most trigal gimoru most trigal information gimila adim la internet. Ngani ngel me friend ra kama adra US embassy, adra adra lomel. Direct wal bis kama mapibir input terti. Mar adra belu.
Okay.
Direct lu ay saham sing ngrawngil makaram sin sa atamel tal basyo e makaram mendring. So tegi der ang lela 2 to 3 years sa plolomay sil mara awang SR mawang at pang mangram languy. Ureor mairail. Kolekta agal R maagay siya, maagal grass clippings sa lolam la adra lara la collect man marasers erura ti organic compost.
Tirgal da kaloteng aral ngal kor Palau seaweed.
Seaweed, yeah.
Oo, kaya ko malugin ko ya.
Oh, mela kakalek te olda kara kora organic waste rakal mangarang emru.
Oh, I get ko ra leftover trimmings ra shawarma, iwas sila mal,
Oo.
pudelamal, skins, and then mix em ko is spread it out.
Oh, wow.
One yang one same, talbitang, why sell mo ko tal turf ma utama.
Oh, wow.
Every month check tal at tamil sing anya ulam dia.
Oh,
Wala na indication na healthy
Awngil?
soil.
Why say?
oh. Yam lang mas wata kung mga brasers. Hindi ako nakasara pala. Mela selto ula takal amra lumrot as yes.
Yeah, of course,
It's working.
Tal utama it's healing.
Yeah.
So maybe in the nearest future it's viable. Sa bedal mo ko ladal lom ringin, sa ladal marabar ka with one kalbasa, malubang kay salad or herbs, so you name it.
I say healthy food products. And diktirakal matingel was saying tiakadim tokoy ra kal talom niya mo kal. Kom koral atir kom lomre kalol nga sera tiale esel mall. El kora marula landscaping mang magklabo kalay kal talom el CL cell parking lot.
Oh, wow.
Oh, lemring Ureor. Akam ko share a little bit.
Yeah, so nga partner ka, of course, sige may help pertil landscape. Of course, ang anitigil beber other direct may help donate adal malir.
Oo.
So direct gilagay dal malir, mo ko in collaboration lo gilagay malam, and then tegi da surangan mamesing elaltam, masan mamesa landscaping yung ko ngil ra usingit. Masal nga raral, matangar roy da domesing yung ko ngil.
Oo.
So you also do landscaping?
Yes, active na start tingil a couple of months ago.
Oo.
Bakit kasi kami may sa tel building ang nga ko.
Oh, yeah.
Pero aringin, it's a single service and offering.
Yes, it's a landscaping business. I offer sa mga rablimiu or landscape rablimiu or garden or sa mga malam leaf flow or maintenance.
Oo, malungi.
We can give you guys a free estimate to say yung mga ra klungel pasyo kami yung mga ra how long are we going to do this mga ra pricing mga ra will dalom el best suited more take the environment ra ka malibong blim. And that's why mga dalom el swala a shade and dal mira blingela
Amringal seeds.
Amringal seeds.
Why say?
Tadi mal.
Adira kal mal swakar tire pia the helper kal design. The design na ngi mo so peton matingal wasa anapal aungil ngar sekit el aungil kukmarala irrigation and marsegit.
Yang nga ma-expert kami.
Masawlak na. Oo, kami. Sakto ka lang dala dala tangay.
Taon na kadala, it's an oasis. Sila bigil talaga tel. The heart of coral kadala Oreo.
Baring laro mo labas siya.
So it needs to be trimmed and
Hindi mo yura plimising ngal dalom la already existing ng arsin. And then so dal diga tarugul dalom.
Oo, ya wapong mangarang.
So dal lomok mo tal blind airflow umirawes. So all those things I get to consider.
Wow, mas elat sing. Of course, tel farm kami Raquel farm.
Dinos farm.
Dinos farm.
Maniya, truly, sometimes sa kadamara plasura, ang lakad mesra, vegetable shelves, herbs, manapa.
And then, landscaping business also.
Kablam taswi ako ang klel say, or say the landscaping ako?
Oh, it's called Green Creation.
Green Creation.
Green Creation.
Oh, very nice. Ang kamal mo to arungul buhay ka lang. Pato ka, Ureor, tiyak la waste that time.
Oo, malungil ako naman naman matangay.
So, bebata min sumda kami sa shawarma, lokorami ulakali, malupo co-story kami,
Ang rasers. Oo, malupang landscape.
So, dal mamdangay, umasit tayo mamdangay, it takes hard work.
Yes.
Especially, rasers.
Marang.
How to say, 2 to 3 years, marur tiyal utang malmungil. Imalaa, limotmok, limakarang. Maral gila talaga niya visionary gila, heart talaga marulay kan.
Gila niya visionary kao. Patience.
Patience, okay.
Research.
Why say, masubal research.
Educate yourself on the know-how. Sabi mo nga internet or other ablul sabi lo advisor kao. Kamis ka pebira points or pointers.
Wow, maluwin.
Oy, mga
Dili ka man mo, kamo ka lagi cloud especially like bookkeeping, mga kakil. At taraman, kung nasa dili ka man, alit atut, businessmen na relaw, para kung young entrepreneurs, malagyan na mamdo financing budgeting.
Financial literacy. Maral to ko.
Maalan ko, malingaw daw, makarayot. Kaya ginal, kapitulo ka natin na business, ako maawat na mali.
Aktik matara. Ang ungkara di mati ala talbong, ang labay sel o may kamral kumaw ay sel gidal sa gidal wasa ko makarang manage ra financial part ra business ongoing. Dikmal matar kaling at so man 22 rigile o mo ale dir ka 28 kal siya pa I can imagine selbel wa maklunget ang his set. Man nasuba batok has a vision. Kam kara wrap up pertegi the first segment tergit kira la kuswa mel gora di share about yourself emar ko ngi about the take a break esel the me continue yourself financial part.
Well, as most of you guys already kom tangal ka matrigel uk talo tangal ka ngamal adra kal I'm a big time foodie, so either sumdak nga gitsen kumay sa bebira pasyol kuk support ra bebira business el mga kalir
Makitagtir.
Yeah, so akmal, ngani sel tokoy was don't put all your eggs in one basket. So you have to have multiple sources of income.
Yes.
So,
well said. We'll talk more about that when we come back after the break. Okay.
All right.
Oy, kita tial guk marmara. Ato tau te PM ka aku ka ngaringisel mulaga rangira. Belechel kira la kora financial management tra.
Oy,
shawarma.
Ayal since 2016. El so ako luagi ko okay say you must be doing something right. Makatal ngangi kora malungin maral. Wala budgeting ra ka. Makaram Neng wala, di na involved di ka siya bay. Neng wala ko din na kaltang na mabingin apto ko. Beto ka drur tingira.
Hindi ako binigla. Tangara to Cecil Earth.
Kamu ko ras mo dia ukura. The money side ka makukura.
Maser amo mo orangi.
Why say?
Well, of course, money comes and goes. Many times the struggle, the moral struggle. Many times the ka sabi the ka utilil. So financing ngaw kaya kam titulong sa dring hindi sel bolto ko ra pera employees aktual first put employees first and then ang business utilities and then my SS mga tax my get will
required right.
Ento ko ra was swarmer sir omomo lang well tedel adam lot mak lang lo lang sir ka
dal so altiga credit ding alta lang palungin madinga sentim lang ding alta nga maguruling al shawarma imraring ikite del adel mak maling kay del shawarma maguruling il past 6 years.
Wow.
Haring kay del ebita ngir mari lang kay da amraring nga rapapian ng kay da owner. Kaya kita owner nga financial side
numbers paperwork
nga kakukti nga hands-on makrulakal makrule o komta siya nga kaungit special nga kaungit lalal ma week
and your human relations ka okyak
letya marami kya customer service. Not just provide the goods, but provide the service. Ang kalada sila may at least or getting satisfied by the service that we give.
So would you say, what's that special human ingredient other than the ingredients of food?
Excellent comment. Would you say?
Because you put in that extra.
Well, it's the secret behind it. It's just the time take a little human interaction between the customer and the workers like myself to give the client or the customer the satisfaction, taste, the visual, my experience in sila may. Okay, give lol greet, will tutao, will kapsay.
Tira personality.
Yes, personality.
Oh, kal third person and lokora akmadingal wase business of lolo mo ulwaise. Concept, the idea, innovation raat. And then kadamral lo spe a help revirar at nga ko mandire kal di finances nga kaya I need help makuk contract at help nga kay git etaw ko ne help ka on the marketing makura aesthetics ra shobay.
So ngel one ra partner mamel lunga sira shawarma ngayon batuti.
Michael Klinsky, okay.
Ang ko ra advisor ka may feedback based ra customers makukti experiencing sila sila. There clubs ka aesthetics looks.
He's an artist.
He's an artist.
Would you say he's the original investor?
I wouldn't say that. Wow,
okay.
And dakal di ludo daw ulegi so sa business idea
hard work and time
take the visual looks.
I see.
So and then that's how we started up, and then that's how we grew.
And so mo 6 years, it's a great partnership.
It is a great partnership.
Mlatal mo ra malalo, naluwa ko mtikay nga sew.
Dimlatal gi mo lalo.
Really?
That's really good.
Dimlatal gi mo lalo. Maldim le start ro laba our pocket money. So to sum it up, ang ngarap dula $800. Our own money. Dimlatal gi mo la loan or anything to start off.
Can you imagine? You started off with 6 years old. Was it save 800? Let's do something with this 800. Tatelal ngalgala, bela ko ting may kaluto ton mararamla yung accident.
So
I'm very proud of you guys. Malungil.
Yeah, so say the luto the capital investment capital say the luto lagi mo spending the startup or business. So amrang isa game start and maldim le 5 items sa menu ko ma'am.
Oh, wow.
Maldim le kayo the lemonade, the matay iced coffee, burritos, ma shawarma, ma quesadilla.
Oh, wow.
I'm sorry, grande burrito.
Yeah. Grande burrito. I think I remember like mlera 2016 and went to try. Maral dim le 5.
Maldim le 5.
Ela kom la increase. Ilang la mo 7 na.
So you start off small.
Small I say. Little by little and direct na gal menu ka mama based ra okya. Lem lang sige suggestion box ko ma'am. No kadi malal the sweet okya. Whether negative or positive, we always take a constructive criticism.
Malungin.
And then we somehow try to improve our menu, but not too much or to exceed. Then dakal the mura ka restaurant or especially mura shawarma and to ka items sa menu. Lang mo lap tulu mela taso nga rin kongil the oil mingil singkang ngara. Lang mo ratretele lang mo kana.
Lakam la customer mo na restaurant makatili ka man. Malangali na simbara nga.
Aktira kan mal ko ra swaktial story tira lo mo lakadablo ale pial encourage ar magyakarel adult story lo shobal wase don't feel alone. Tiya ka di pumatak to sa ak makarating nga kaltal take a risk entrepreneurs tial bulgula entrepreneurs are adult take a risk. You're an entrepreneur. Tiya ka ar other wase kalatil the mel entrepreneur tiya. Environment kita sometimes katos pe auto mo ta choice kita mo the most start lo sika Ureor marule I'm very happy was kom le start mla nga helper kaw and as a group of 3 kom la rulil 6 years. Hopefully rumes please unsabi kami my friends kami. Get together and start doing something good.
Hindi na kamalungin share sell one single ingredient sell mal keep it together. Mal madul ko ra Ureor Maltede. You've been in over the hump over the 5 years and
Survives 6 years.
Mutual respect and each other.
Yeah, that's a
Yung hotel maring na partnership.
Why say? Mal maring hindi one ra sige dito kora key secret I would say it's all about communication.
Yes.
Communication is important.
Amen.
Nga niya at team, mga niya swamp, and don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Let's work on it. Let's find a solution.
Kaman masaw level lang. Amaral communication na. Awol kidirekal mal lorang asule mal mlay. Leng albebi leng kidar atabela sing dia ka damarur man dia ka to. Ding maral gire del kau aise share.
Or ang gire del mangul.
Kita kakul.
Kakul.
Di selbal to kora business and get the upfront be direct.
Although that
why say by prevent the problems and gire del diu kada communicate.
Yeah, sisi alulaw do.
Communication kada adu smooth o si ka ungil rail to yakni. Malungil. Ang nga ko korangot al to ko Ureor al swamel ko ay sel kirel besides swarma I know katamal la concentrate on it hindi kay gidal BSL project tarka ang nga ko korangot al swamel ay sel kirel at yan shares makarang al other level visit Radinos farm
when it comes to money you make decisions all 3 partners make decisions and money issues.
Why say?
Other things.
Leng lagi split talpay, leng ginam equal. Leng sumang wana kama missing, and that's bela tel business will operate.
Malungin.
For example, el suman dak ngar say, elo sa katragal workers malubang rulital menu or fix the food to the standards sa game start. Etrakal bel bebira partners adal sa bil ruli, up to that.
Why say?
So, how many employees do you have now? Shawarma.
So far in Laltaming, there's 3.
Okay.
Provider ako. So you like any other business from high?
So you'll cater?
Yes, we do catering. Menu items from
for events.
For events or
mga nga Facebook page sa Gumes. Every Palau sel Facebook page. Ang nga ako website kami.
As of now, hindi ka website ka ma'am. Hindi bebeta post ra Facebook. Sa started yan, hindi lagi advertise ra social marketing or anything. Sylvester form advertisement, take the word of mouth.
Why say?
Le adrablu etrigay da mo dictate set yang wilkal.
Ito ko ay sak munta. Man marang mang seldom martira.
Word of mouth naman.
Ukmal chong itra lokka at di blakatak. Sumanga niya atiri ko nga niya ako missing at di slow ice. Sa ba mal correct ringi ramre del time or kitchen ringi ra rule.
Why say mga kadira kalmlam at talpong yung kukmurtil was please separate the hot sauce or make it mild dole cook nga nga baby dole kan salsa edan mga hot hindi o masindra kalira mild malil esel deng wartir 5872121 5872121
malungin masimo ko tilu akil na sele
KBS Shell Station malumang ko sa igid also maral moklo ang laamo rin te alil ko tara time in sabi ko open ra branch ra malkayo ka papaltap al time al atir ka maring al katatir ka
Al time ang mahal maring taman makasay.
oy
Hindi enough
population wise
lagi.
oy
Lugo mo ko amlo, over 50,000 or other Belechel, and then ng last bit dalo ko ra, branch out.
Kaya ano rin ma-franchise.
oy
Shawarma at
oy
no corner or something.
Lugon.
Wow, that's really good.
hindi ko kamal you realize at temem elang ka between ra tial shawarma corner cafe or restaurant maserse Dinos Farm and then ela obo mo tial landscaping al green creation
Oy say.
en kakakuk mo girem al hire al ubeng
Akmo malasa man nga ka matara.
olang sirka
Then so I'll start small.
oh
And then release sila ka sa bama, may masasing tan sa bama release, tan sa bama nga improvements as we learn, as we experience, and as we go on.
why say
Like tiaka tingin so is bringing industry. So I'm still trying to get my bearings and network,
oh
MLS gigs and see how it does.
why say malungil kamal you realize your time wisely igaro kul siya nga bela waka kita dikaw tangi PL waseng malgagre population arkit mang maral la sell word of mouth mal important
Sige da ba yung
o central liaw real mal mongil mora kuka landscaping ang garden rapia engi guklaw ay sal merangak mga kakuko ay sal morta sige ako may sa personality mal giru klorong mi with yakal albabil ng morning okay kal adakal sal demanding ay kan di kami utakang le
Why say? Direktly so I'll point out to us it's sumaga start a business. Malasa mal yung business, and if you don't survive the first 2 years or survive the first 6 months, that means there's something going on or something wrong.
Okay.
And so makapasa sige the first 6 months, and okay, you're doing okay. And so man nakapasa sige the first 2 years. Like the first 6 months to 2 years, those are the hardest.
Why say?
Say ako tilmaringal lang. You kadiri ka build up. You're still building your customer base. You're still building up almost everything.
Why say?
But so kung hindi ako make you see the first 2 years or 1 year, and then there's something wrong. But don't be discouraged. You can always find something else to spend your time and to utilize your time and make money out of it.
I see.
Like a hobby, you can turn your hobby into a profitable hobby instead of just wasting your time.
Okay, great.
Malungil advice.
Tell, this is sort of like again trimadalvis ka. It's a three-pronged partnership.
Yes,
To aim at one.
Waldin one call agreeing mo kung immortal mo. Malungil lang kita dira kasi limera ko business history bela entrepreneurial history nga niya kalmel to kalmel fly by night ali ko tin mo bubu ya siyang mlamor
Man marang
ngok maral gidan mo
there can some ngara business industry ngiremel find the niche.
Yes.
Especially in Palau.
Especially in Palau.
Malgari population.
See the hole in the market.
Yeah, see the hole in the market based on demand, the needs or wants. Lang nga niya gilbe dapat sa dal kasusu.
Why is it? Landra materte.
So let's say kung
waserte.
So kung kadra shawarma we get a menu ka. Stay true to it. Don't copy somebody else or be influenced by somebody else by suggesting kasi dapat sabihin ko kami udong, adobong karaming or hamburger like
I see. Okay, malungil advice.
Focus on hamburger, ramen house, focus on noodles. Just focus on what you started your business with.
I see. Stay true to yourself.
Exactly.
Tila mal advice.
Malungin
Tekoi from a young person lo se. La kadil volve ta influence ako kung tale ko lo se bale di ako kumrula sa sir uto. E ka ko chance. Oy halok murulo uto.
Tamal di based experience.
Okay.
Na experience ni of course ng lolo ko to war occasion musu best tay da wuk menu ka mom.
Oy.
Kama mau focus.
Kama lang ito ganyan si. Again, menu kaming you have to like copyright or make sure hindi ka abang sel.
How ya first
Well,
recipe
sure.
ra ka ra.
Kani ay my own recipes, based experiments. Hindi el sumar other serums, but that's okay. I'll take that form as a flattery. That means I'm doing something good and you just...
that's a very good attitude.
Malungil ka. Ka-original, hindi ka kakongil. Share a blessings.
Yeah, it's fun. I mean, tamle create yourself vanilla ice cream. And at tamle kapating la cookies and cream.
I guess
there's
really,
a lot.
yeah.
Hindi, you know, dakal swadal ka susubeling, start lo ka marora customers.
Alam naman ka rin.
So, you know, let's just respect one another, you know, focus on what you're doing, and if it succeeds, it succeeds.
Mani nga kung marula sushi, kung marula hamburger, kung ka
Dakal swakal ko ka pirar adra wahura bubble tea. Malubok ko ka pirar adra miso hungry shawarma sushi.
Yeah. That's really good.
Tila dire kan malungil to ko bale el bladesa ng pia dire kan sel to ko to ase ka to ra aro ko nga sel imortaray sel sugom ka do mesra imol mal sokol motwo den ka sokol freedom e kita ko mo mongursin merio malungil larong sel kan siya ka del adol wase marusel maruringi ela kan
apay ko ngayon mo pebra sugar tray del kagrel adol ka entrepreneur se supporter tier diwara sa supporter ka mom sa game start so we have to give and take not just you know take
man marang ako to kaklab ako sa ko mga nga visitors ma evening event ela pek patangel akal sa betal mga
no tayo dale of course sa OBF ang laringim manal bato ko show ba tilo everybody share man hindi mo rin
malungin
malungin ko even though raining cats and dogs and karong mga babi plus hindi ko man namin manala shawarma tent
kung tira kan lara OBF
agim lara OBF and ding oy lang kam lang ya trivial issue ka ma military career ka ma mamla ta kasbel turn on.
Tial ul mayo. Ay.
So lagi na ka improvise, you know, lagi lang already king our say, so we don't wanna, you know,
pack up and go. Mal aroy man marami.
Love you ten.
Love you ten. Dito matao pa control more saying.
I'm so proud of you guys. Ang hungil lata komdim le make it say halle to find a way. A solution it to continue get it kan.
Eman no. We had that trigger other happy wings and national bitang. Email ko na limlang okay ati mo tama email Chinese to Chinese exchange tam ako ra.
Balon.
Ano to ka yan private business ma NGO sa maluwiling government naman state alabek alam ta.
Masarigim set up per tel tentor ka ra OBF tel tentor ka 10 by 20. So again, we only use the half of it. It'll operate. The medicine half ringi mang sila may okay. Ako am expected tel yang do kamo ming lasil so. Marado ka sabihin lo kami ng ram u. Or dira kali. Dia lubit ta dala ul mar ada by end up in lomtor which is you know we care about our customers.
I say we care about our customers. Tila malungil. Melange ang ra ko kulto swim. El sel mo mesra apelaur el ang mo pandemic kita tel ko ramike ko kitel kukmara el lom kabakase open up el mora moru ngara ko koraul da swim lubeng hops rakaw egel ko raw laklat kal ko rasom lo mesel tub el kirela asyo ba rakaw michael moru el alguk in the next year 2 years.
All right. So based shawarma corner, we wanna, you know, extend our menus, but not too much, and hopefully improve on all services. We're lacking. There's a lot of things we're lacking, but we always strive our best to succeed. So dire kaltangi in the future I hope nga niya I know sing nga niya patokol bright young minds. I know them they're very bright kids, bright people who can become entrepreneur.
Oh, I see.
And I hope they succeed in whatever they're doing. And if you have any ideas, questions about how to do this or do that, please assume if you come anywhere, come up, say hi, and then ask me any questions regarding about business, and maybe I can give you an insight or advice, the do's and don't, based on my experience.
Oh, I see.
And then I didn't go to business school or anything. I got my basic experience, my street smarts.
Nag-aalala mo mali.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm very proud of you.
Times almost give up.
I see.
You have to move forward, think of other possibilities or solutions, and keep moving forward. Don't look back. Keep
Yeah, I
moving
see.
forward.
Malungil advice. Don't look back.
Malbigang SR.
Sil sa di po meng masawan lo masawat yan. Oo. Ang malal to ko.
Ngal former brother-in-law nga kami atang SR eh. Lo kasi men, tigil asing SR nga mo. They work hard and they play hard.
Oo. Man maral to ko. Oo, hindi akak mal.
That's good.
So, if sumanganya hobby ka and you want to make money out of it, find a way to make money out of it. Make sure it's legal.
Wise eh.
Make sure it's legal.
Man marang.
Hindi sige, yan man so kam ko na. I really emphasize sa sige being a young entrepreneur nga Palau. We are a country of laws. No, tirak lang anak lang. Mumandi na kamalungin kasi it's really safe. Again, mo successful. First, kamal tirak lala. When in business, wal tirak lala.
Wise eh. Lakam take risk al malamal eh. Lang magklo-oral. Magklo expenses al normal lala ang klo expense.
Mal beto ka te al need other sorry low business. Micro beto opportunities. Just be creative and find the capital you need. Doesn't matter how big or how small, though the most sparing and open a business, at least you have something to start up. Start up small, then work slowly and expand yourself. So say the mulokori law, wala. Nganyar baby ar ngalakal kudan trial, including myself, el trigel mi rodel, mga other Belechel, no other Belechel.
Laelle mo korol.
So naman certi traka other Belechel. Tamo do duwe mo ibe, matinge toy, matinge history.
Tangal tirar adarir, waikaw. Oo.
And the Allah man sisi man trigel del ada ta kasabil di til open na business certi.
Waikaw.
Why nga? So yes. So beto kal the swag am leswa kalo business and ding mal mring na nga galing dakras.
Oo.
So mal mring.
Men subel guk topic for the next episode, next show with you.
Yeah, sure. Invite
But
me
I'm
for the
really
next.
happy waseng le mention ringi. Ang kaya pial mal da kalodeng el kamera di mo tamam ng alakam. Oo.
No, I mean, hindi ka, because you're not a citizen?
No.
Mleeller belal tiang la bela eh titol oy marotol.
Guys, I know that.
Palau national and din dak citizen and ka say malulong
So as a
for the
Palau,
rest.
yes. Hindi ka kasi open a business?
Dal saber so
Under your name?
Even though ngia maraming itel business sa swarma business ringi. Ding ang kaya dal mal positive mo wase halebay have partnership.
Yes.
I mean in saber man open ra business ra under ang claim. And din giram go through a FIB.
Oh, al ngaligal bela 28 years old. Eh kamle 22 o mamuurat yan.
Maul sira kulo kay the credits like I don't want to take all the credits.
Oo.
Like man yes and dim nakadingal tang o mule marulital business.
Oo. Tilaya pa mal tira kal amatar kawe la Gomez bato karang liget tira citizens. El lang nga sab il marul klolte al tir enyet en dia kal realize ay kidal klangal tangat al Dios sa material blessings. Nga kami sa bale el struggle I was say I'll find a way. Halak care along. Let me find the way so I can survive.
Maybe
creative,
that's, so,
innovative.
In a way, hindi naman mo go through that series. Mo niya, alunggal series.
Why say? Mag-partnership. Oo, in partnership. Akmal proud
That's
ako
good.
share
Thank
tilang.
you. Yes.
Lenga kamal to me, ikaw buigar belaw. Buigar ng esar, mal lungin, role model, marami ka kanilat. Matuarang uman, lahat ng Ureor. Akong daso ka marmaraw lubong.
I see.
Ho, ay makamal masaw lulbang kamam alalsin.
Ako pa ma'am sulang invite na.
Please ka planan mo ngel mutal May. Esa ang mutal May. Kada tay in tial tokora Ureor. El mora ikay gidal tokora foreign labor and how businesses Palau as el mutal prosperal so kumakadal resolve certain issues way gigit. Lembat to karang aligay dal direk half and half wayang aligay kamaluptaway ikaw. And then el antimer Palau do das wortel garuri gidal wase kada mases kada masula kada marula Ureor e kasusub ngidil ngani selwan el goler gidal wase kada kaubal tigar reng al betikar ngutra pelwat swada bulungin. Oh, kuman masauli. All right. So, until next time.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me, guys.
All right.
Makuktara tayo, ma'am. Lutan invite al sum sa miro kadir ko. Story nga.
Yeah, ba, kamal why say.
Senyak si ko na nga nakambo.
Ay, kampo. Thank you for watching. Until part 2 with Belechel and Wilhelm. We also call him Jeich. Sulang. Until next time.
Okay.